welcome back to another video for the Bull Bear Analyst. Today we're looking at the US 100 or the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. Just before we begin, as usual, if anyone is interested in joining my free market analysis group over on Telegram, please feel free to scan the barcode on your screen. So as I mentioned on my previous videos, that this group is very important in sharing the research that we actually share over here on the videos. Yeah, we don't really go in depth in the videos. We just say what we think about the market during the session. However, on the group, we actually share more in-depth details about what's going to happen, for the whole week, what's going to happen with the market. And we have more markets that we have, the Dow Jones, we have the DXYs, and we have, we have the bonds. We analyze a lot of things in the research group. So I definitely recommend that you join in. It's free and you can check it out. And you can do so obviously by scanning the barcode on your screen. Anyway, so going back to the Nasdaq 100, and the Nasdaq has been performing. It's been not really performing that well. I think we are losing the gains and the good work that we did, over here around the beginning of the November or the 10th of November. So we are seeing this moving downwards, and I think we can actually be aiming for our lows here. And the reason I'm saying this, I think this is one final push before we get the Santa Claus rally. Usually, seasonally speaking, we should be getting the Santa Claus rally by now. However, I think there is one more final push down to this market. The RSI is telling us that this is getting to the area now where it's oversold. I think we're going to be aiming a bit down further towards maybe our levels here around 10,400 or maybe even 10,800. So we can aim for these lows. And I think I wouldn't be buying just yet. I think you can still buy these dips if you're a day trader. You can use this opportunity to buy. I think there will be a great opportunity to buy once we hit the low. Now, when is that going to happen? I'm not sure. Nobody knows. I don't have a crystal ball, but I do expect a downward movement in the next week or so, or this week, and we're going to be seeing it move back up towards next week, toward Christmas and the beginning of the New Year's. So be interesting to see the Nasdaq 100. As long as we get it down here, like, investors are going to come and buy these cheap stocks, or cheaper stocks, let's call it. And I definitely see it going back down, and then we're going to be aiming for the Santa Claus rally coming in straight after, maybe going into next week.